How to solve Facebook security key problem on your Facebook account. Hello guys, today I have the solution and for this problem or this issue, just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First guys, you will just go to the settings of your phone. If you have Android or iPhone, it's not matter, just open settings, then you will go to apps, and on apps you will go and search for Facebook. As you see here, it's Facebook. Just open it, and you have to scroll down and go to as you see here, storage, click and go to the last, clear data, click OK and click OK, and that's it. Your problem will fixed correctly. And that's it. I hope guys this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.